कितनी प्यारी दुनिया इनकी, कितनी मधुर मुस्कान, बच्चों के मन में बसते हैं सदा स्वयं भगवान। नमस्कार, मैं सुनीता मनहास, डीएवी धर्मशाला से। आज मैं आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। भारत देश में बाल दिवस हर साल 14 नवंबर के दिन मनाया जाता है, क्योंकि इस दिन देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन मनाया जाता है। बच्चों के लिए नेहरू जी के हृदय में अपार स्नेह था। जब भी उन्हें समय मिलता था, वे बच्चों के साथ अपना समय व्यतीत किया करते थे और उन्हें अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताया करते थे। बच्चे ही हमारा कल हैं, इसलिए हमें आज से ही अपने बच्चों के भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाना चाहिए। आज भी बच्चे किसी न किसी अन्याय का शिकार हैं। गरीब बच्चों को आज भी पोषण युक्त भोजन नहीं मिलता, शिक्षा नहीं मिलती। बच्चे बाल मजदूरी का शिकार होते जा रहे हैं, उनके प्रति हिंसा होती जा रही है। बच्चों को उनके अधिकार मिले, शिक्षा मिले और उनके खिलाफ होने वाले अपराध कम हो और समाज में बच्चों की स्थिति सुधरे, इसलिए बाल दिवस को मनाया जाता है। बाल दिवस उनके कल्याण और अच्छे भविष्य को समर्पित है। बाल दिवस के माध्यम से बच्चों को जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास कराते हुए उन्हें जीवन में कुछ कर गुजरने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। अभिभावक और शिक्षक भी बच्चों के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियों के निर्वहन का मूल्यांकन करें और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए हर संभव प्रयास करें। अतः अंत में मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी कि बाल दिवस पर हमें इन
Children are the future of nation, and we as teachers are building our future strong. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. It is recognized across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. In 1925, International Children's Day was first proclaimed in Geneva during the World Conference on Child Welfare, and Universal Children's Day is celebrated on 20th of November. But in India, Bal Divas or Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November to pay tribute to our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully nurtured, as they are the future of nation and citizens of tomorrow. The first Children's Day was celebrated on 20th November 1925. But after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, his birth anniversary is being celebrated as Children's Day. What is a child? A bundle of amazing grasping parts. They absorb a lot of information. They communicate through photos and videos. They demand for instant rewards. They like to be consulted and involved. Don't believe in unethical practices. These are some points that we can teach our children to make our nation strong. Get a good education. Keep busy. Read good books. Learn to write. Respect your elders. Always be true to your words. Be thrifty with your time and money. Swami Vivekanand used to say that be a hero. Always say, I have no fear, and achieve your dreams. President APJ Abdul Kalam, he said,
I, Chanchal, on the behalf of BDDAB Dharmshala, extend my warm wish and gratitude to respected principal, teachers, staff members, parents, and dear students. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on the celebration of Children's Day and Sports Day. As we know that children are the future of the country. So the growth of the children decides the future of the country. Children, they are the foundation of the country. So they should make their life more disciplined, clean, and full of ambition. They are the future of the country. We cannot forget the involvement of the children in the life of the parents as well as in the life of the teachers. They are blessed by the God, and they also blessed by their beautiful eyes, innocent activities, and smile. I acknowledge all the children for their unconditional love and respect towards their teachers. Parents are the every child's first and best teacher. Let me thanks all the parents for their guidance and support during this pandemic. Thank you, parents, for this. I also wanted to express my special thanks to our respected principal for their guidance and motivation. Special thanks to all the teachers and all the staff members who make this event more successful. I, on the behalf of BDDAB Dharmshala, wish all the children a very happy Children's Day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.